Nice! And we are good. Perfect! Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite strategies. We will use one really simple indicator that if you skillfully will bring us a good profit. So we go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Option, and I will use the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute, execution time 3 minutes. In the indicator tab, select CCI. Leave default settings. For this strategy, the conditions for entering a trade are as simple as possible. We enter a short trade when the CCI line crosses level from the overbought zone. And we enter up trade when CCI crosses level from oversold zone. We are all set, let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money in trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. I'm just waiting for the next candle. CCI crossed level. Yeah, I enter. It looks like a very confident win. 3, 2, 1. Nice! Plus $230 to my balance. Friends, I'd be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. CCI crossed, I am entering soon. Yeah. Now. Just 5 seconds left. And we are good. Yeah! Nice! Another $230. Okay, CCI crossing level. So I'm entering with the next candle. Yeah. Just 5 seconds left and it looks like I'll win again. Perfect! $227.5 to my balance. Today we examine a straightforward and efficient strategy that is suitable for beginners. We have earned nearly $690. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!